Hein says, unfortunately, I'm an expert at procrastination. Amazing. Kathy says, I have paperwork I'm supposed to get done for Social Security. It's for disability. This part wants me to talk about every bit of suffering I have. So procrastination is like, for me at least, it really depends how much I actually want it. So if I want to work out and I'm procrastinating, that means I really don't want to be stronger, not so much. If I'm like, it doesn't bother me that much. But if, like, let's say I have an injury, I have some weakness, stiffness somewhere, and it's bugging me, I'm not gonna procrastinate. And I'm talking just about myself. So it depends on how important it is to you. Some things we gotta do out of responsibility, but a lot of things are like personal preference. If I need to paint a wall, I will get out of the fucking bed in the morning like nobody's business. It's gonna be like, I'm born to do this. I don't need to eat, I don't need to get dressed. I'm getting outside naked with my spray cans and I'm doing the thing. Or something similar. But if it's like, oh, I need to renew my subscription to my website, so my website keeps on running, and I just need to get on the website and type in my credit card and it's done. But it's like, damn, and I'm gonna wait until the last day. My subscription for my website is going off tomorrow, and yesterday I put in my new card. It was like, I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it last minute. And I've been this my whole life, all the way through college with everything. And that's me, I work better under pressure. And that's also connected to human design because I have the root defined. I work better under pressure. So if I need to do something, I'm gonna wait until the last minute, get some fire going. Like, I need to do this now, otherwise I'm not gonna get, like, people won't be able to book psychotherapy or whatever, and they can't see my work or whatever. Then I have to do it. And for me, it works best when I put myself under pressure. And then the other side of it is, like, how important it is to me. Is it really important, or is it something that's like, you know, how different is my life gonna be if I do it or if I don't do it? Is it really that important? If it's not, then it's like, tomorrow. Tomorrow. And then, other than this live, and my clients, whether it's psychotherapy or graphic design clients, I'm sort of outside of society's timing and regular scheduling. So when it comes to time management, I'm really flexible. So procrastination for me is like, I'm just putting off something that I know that I'm gonna do. But I think the bigger thing is, okay, you can procrastinate. It's okay to procrastinate, but are you actually gonna do it in the end? I think that's the bigger question. I can put off the dishes for tomorrow, but am I actually gonna do them tomorrow? Or am I gonna put them off again and again and again and again until maybe the dishes smell like a corpse? Then I gotta do it. But even then, it's okay if you do it then. So your social security thing, I bet that there's some sort of deadline. I think you can procrastinate it, but like day before, if you're okay with the pressure. So procrastinate if you're okay with the pressure of doing it last second. I'm okay with the pressure. Some people can't do it. So I think that's a big thing. That's also a thing, like we often procrastinate about things that make us really face things. Like, you know, the dishes are like something you haven't done, something that's in the corner of the kitchen and waiting for you and looming, and it's like piling up things. Spot on, spot on. I don't have to add anything. Heinz says, I think the worst part of procrastination is the overthinking. Instead of getting things done in 5 minutes, I start making up scenarios what could go wrong. That's also a great point. Finish the not perfect. It doesn't matter how, just do it now. It doesn't matter how, just do it now. Because yeah, overthinking is in the mind. Once you start getting in the body, once you get up and get going, the first 5 minutes are the most difficult. But as soon as you break through your ice, your like creaky body that has been stuck in the mind, once you get up, and if you do one plate, you can do the whole thing. If you do one push-up, you can probably do 10. If you do one squat, you can probably do 15. If you can walk just to the store and back, you probably feel like you can walk for an hour. So that initial spark is all that you need. The decision to just sit and to show up. Showing up is like 70% of the work. Actually getting up and saying, okay, I'm gonna try and do this at least for 5 minutes. That's the bigger part. So guys, I think you already have the answers here.